I always build the desktop first rather than the mobile. Now, that doesn't mean I ignore the mobile. If you've watched my tutorials and videos, I always go and double check the mobile, especially when I do my elemental course that you can get by signing up for our YouTube channel. But I always build for the desktop first. And whenever I say that, I usually get quite a bit of hate mail or people who put comments like, how dare you build for the desktop before the mobile when 90% of the world is using their mobile to access websites? And even when you try to explain to them why you build for the desktop first, they don't like it and they reply with lots of emojis. Now, look, you have to understand. Building for the desktop first is perfectly okay. Building for the mobile first is perfectly okay too, because either way, you're going to have to cover off all the bases. Basically, it's because you're going to have all of your pieces and components. Usually on a desktop, you might show more than you want to show on the mobile. So I will build it all out to look exactly how I need it to look. Because don't forget, when your client is checking a website, they are more likely to check it on a desktop or a laptop. So I'll build everything out, all of the images, all of the text, all of the components, everything I need to have. Then when I go to the tablet, before I go to the mobile, I will then make adjustments, and those adjustments will pass through to the mobile. If you do desktop first, everything is inherited by the tablet and the mobile. They inherit whatever you've done on the desktop. If you then make changes on the tablet, the desktop stays intact, but the tablet changes are inherited by the mobile. And when I go down to the mobile, I might make some more. If you start with mobile first, and I am not saying ignore or be ignorant of mobile, you gotta make sure you factor that in. Responsive websites, fluid typography with font clamp, and lots of other things you can do. Responsively hiding images, all of that. But what I do is I work methodically, desktop, tablet, mobile. And if I then decide that I had 5 images in my hero banner in the desktop, but I only want to show 3 on the tablet and maybe just 1 on the mobile, you responsibly hide them. And it's not like if I start with the mobile first and I only had 1 image, when I get to the tablet, oh, I need to add in 2 more images, and now I've got to make sure that when I add them, I'll have to now jump back into the mobile because the mobile will inherit whatever you do with the tablet. So you're going to now check all of that. And then I go to the desktop and now I want 5 images. So that's 2 more. You're going back and forth. If you're trying to be efficient in a really logical, methodical way, desktop, tablet, mobile. And if you're thinking carefully with typography and all of that as well, don't you add in your font clamp at the start anyway so it inherits downwards? If you start mobile and work upwards, you will come across some problems. But you don't have to agree with me. Who the hell am I anyway? I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Sign up for our channel, subscribe, check out our exclusive videos. What do you think and how do you like to build? I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.